Have you ever wondered what truly sets you apart in a job search? Understanding yourself is crucial before diving into applications. A self-SWOT analysis can reveal your true value, preparing you to communicate effectively with employers. A SWOT analysis identifies your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Start by pinpointing your key selling points. Ask yourself what will make you memorable to an interviewer. Highlight your unique advantages and ensure they leave a lasting impression. Then identify your weaknesses. Are there skills you're lacking? Develop strategies to mitigate these in job applications, ensuring they don't overshadow your strengths. Then assess what opportunities there are and what opportunities you can create. We often need to make our own luck. There will always be threats and risks. What are they in your job search? Please try to leverage connections and mentors for your career growth and to support you in your job search. Explore opportunities for skill enhancement through courses. These do not need to be long, advanced courses. You don't need to be an expert. Just knowing more than the other candidates is often enough. Is there anything new you can achieve at your current job while conducting your job search that shows your value? These steps can significantly boost your career trajectory. Personality tests such as the 16 personalities via character and strengths test and the DISC test can be really useful in enhancing self-awareness. They provide valuable insights for your CV and interviews, helping you present your best self. These tests are free of charge and easy to use, and many job seekers benefit from them. By conducting a self-SWOT analysis, you will unlock your potential and communicate your value effectively. Start today and take control of your career journey. For more resources, please see the Doing Business in English website. It shares free booklets, CV templates, and articles that can help you in your job search.